Hey family, so I made this delicious Texas sheet cake. I got the recipe on Pinterest. It's pretty flat. It's like, like a flat sheet, right? I used almond, so it's kind of like an almond theme. Instead of doing just cane sugar, I did half brown sugar and half cane sugar, organic, non-GMO cane sugar. So it came out really well. Now, I did do a slight subtle change. You're supposed to use sour cream in the recipe, and instead I used cream cheese just to experiment with it. So, because I modified the sugar and modified basically the added ingredient, instead of sour cream, I did cream cheese. It's technically my version of a Texas sheet cake, since I kind of switched up the recipe a tad bit, and it might be like just slightly thinner than the traditional style, but still very similar. But it's an excellent sheet cake. Has a lot of flavor. Very excited. Pinterest has a lot of different recipes, ideas, and I always like to try certain ones out to see if they are kind of what they say they are. So I'm gonna have some nice slice of this, and I hope you are having a great Valentine's Day.